kind of like everything in the mountains, you really don't have a lot of control over the elements and over where timing is, but we had all the pieces in place. So when it was possible to do, no matter the weather and conditions, we were able to make it happen. The record, in some ways feels superficial to the experience and what it meant after so long being apart from this like mountain family and everything we'd gone to, all of us, to get to that point. To have a little levity and kind of see this joy and this lightness come around, it truly kind of just, it lets you step away from the challenges that we'd all been facing and kind of return to the connection that had felt so distant.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, check out these other videos from USA Today to stay up to date with all the latest news.